we are witnessing a truly beautiful scene, filled with the vibrant energy of a countryside farm. Right from the start of the video, we're greeted by the loud crowing of a white rooster with a bright red comb, like an enthusiastic morning welcome. Next, we see adorable white lambs with black spots on their ears and legs, playing happily in their pen. These lambs, with their big, innocent eyes, look like pure white cotton balls, bringing a sense of warmth and peace. The following scene takes us to another part of the yard, where a black lamb with white spots is wandering alone, creating an interesting contrast against the white lambs. Then, a group of white sheep is leisurely strolling through the woods, painting a picture of tranquility and calm. These sheep move slowly and relaxed, as if they have no worries, just enjoying the beauty of nature. In the pen, there's another lively activity as black baby goats play around with a small cart. Their energetic, playful antics are so endearing, like little children finding joy in the simplest things. Alongside the black baby goats, we also see a group of young sheep with brown and white coats standing together. They're so gentle and cute, symbolizing harmony and unity. The video then takes us to a vast green pasture where a herd of cows is grazing on fresh grass. These cows look strong and healthy, enjoying their tasty meals, giving us a comforting sense of calm. Next, we see a group of sheep with small pink marks on their backs moving through the pen. These pink marks seem like they're unique identifiers, making them easily recognizable. In another corner of the yard, some geese are swimming in a small pond. These geese add a simple, rustic charm as they appear to enjoy their relaxing moments. Two gray baby goats are munching on lush green grass, a scene that's both peaceful and adorable. The video concludes with a group of white sheep moving down a hill, guided by a shepherd. Their obedience to the shepherd adds a delightful touch to the scene. Additionally, we catch sight of a white rabbit with bright red eyes sitting and nibbling on grass. This rabbit, with its soft white fur and gleaming red eyes, looks absolutely charming. This video brings us positive emotions, a sense of peace, tranquility, and the simple joys of rural life. We can feel the care and affection people have for their animals. It serves as a reminder to cherish and protect our natural environment, as well as to practice kindness and love for animals.